Ka election MP Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya in penlong ha ka khat pra Tarik u Jylliew ha ka ba ki voters kin day bet thik tangkin riu phomut ki de khot jong ka ying darbar thau an ka jilla ki jing pen kre na ka benta ka ni ka election ki la ya chaprang u Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya BDR Tiwari ulai thu a kinong tho Khubor ba ka ayom trekam jong u MP Rajya Sabha barim kan kutno a ka arphuai Tarik u Jylliew Kapor thep vote kan sedang ha kapor shipau baje, bat kan kut ha kapor saw baje jan met. En nyau no eki vote ha katu hi kasngi na duk kapor san baje ter. Ha ka praterik ki kertong kin thep kerteng, ha ka khandai terik en bishar sani ki jing thep kerteng, bat ki kertong ki la ban weng no eki kerteng jongki, ha ka khatway terik u Jylliew. Barok ki kam ke bede begini ke election MP Rajya Sabha kidei ban deploy ploin ha ka arphuai Tarik u Jylliew. Ha ka arpu kendai Tarik u Jemang u CEO ulai kendo ya barok kino yalam kiseng sanhima bat la ya merjing mut halor kini ke election MP Rajya Sabha kat kum ki kendon jong ka an Representation of the People Act kat kendai spa asan phuai da ka jingkemen na barok kiliang. Halor ka jingtmu jong ka Election Commission of India ban penlong ka Special Intensive Revision SIR Meghalaya u CEO ulai tho be ki jingpen kre ki dang ya chaprang ki training na baro ki boot level officer ki la ya chat ha ki ni kisngi ulo ong.
Known to you all, we had a meeting with the political parties with respect to the conduct of biennial Rajya Sabha election in the state of Meghalaya. As the present tenure of Honorable MP Rajya Sabha is going to be end by 21st of June. So election have to be held by latest by the 20th of this June. So as per schedule prescribed by Honorable Commission of India, the notification for this vacancy or conduct of the election will be on the 1st June 2026 on Monday, and last date of making nomination is 8th June. Scrutiny of nomination will held on the 9th of June, and last date for withdrawal of candidates is 11th June 26. Date of poll is fixed on the 18th June, and from 9 am to 4 pm on 18th June. So counting of votes will be on the same day on 18th at 5 pm onward, and the date to be the process to be completed is before 20th June 2026. So accordingly we have briefed the detailed process in respect to the conduct of biennial election. Morning we had a visit of the venue along with the officials from Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and the venue everything has already been visited and it found satisfactory as per the norm, schedule, everything, layout, etc. been provided by Honorable Election Commission of India. So we briefed the entire process to the political parties regarding filing of nomination, including submission of Form 2C, affidavit in Form 26, security deposit, oath or affirmation, Form A and Form BB in case of party candidate, including the provision related with the Form C1 to C8. So these are the mandatory things. The voter list is also being prepared by the Assembly. So special emphasis we have laid on the provision relating to the publicity of the criminal antecedents by the candidate and political parties in compliance with the direction of Honorable Supreme Court and instruction issued by Honorable Election Commission of India. The system of election under the proportional representation by means of single transferable vote and the procedure for open ballot voting under the Representation of People Act 1951 is also been briefed to the political parties, and they were informed that the member belonging to political party are required to show their marked ballot paper only to the authorized agent of their own political party and not to any other party agent on the day of poll. Independent MLAs are prohibited from showing their ballot paper to any agent. Further, the participants, we briefed them on the method of recording preferences, validity of ballot papers, and the procedure for counting of vote and ascertainment of the quota. So we had a good interaction, and all the queries related to the biennial election of the Rajya Sabha already been briefed. So we would like to bring this entire schedule to kind information of general people through the media. So and our preparation is, we are fully ready for the conduct of biennial election of Rajya Sabha in the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable Election Commission of India will announce the schedule, then only it will happen.
So the machinery is ready. Election machinery is ready.
Election machinery is always ready.
No update of rolls, nothing much.
Role already, since SIR schedule is already been announced for the state of Meghalaya, we are ready for the SIR in the state.
Sir, talking about SIR, I just wanted to know, we have a lot of disputed land also in Assam. How are you going to go about?
Basically, as present, whatever role, whoever are the member in the E-role of the Meghalaya, we are going to do as per this present E-role and the base E-role of the 2005 when the previous SIR happened, and as per the norm prescribed by Election Commission of India, it will help.
What about the voters there are categories of those the professionals who come here and they get the voting rights?
Basically, whoever are the citizen of India, 18 year of age, they are eligible to be voter. So there are certain time if they are residing within the state of Meghalaya. So whoever have the legal eligibility to be the voter anywhere in the country. So but they can be voter in one place, not more than one place at a time.
So what are the documents usually they have to submit post 2005?
Basically, till whoever they have the at least epic along with their epic of their relation like mother, father, whoever are there. So and along with one there are we already briefed during the SIR. So today again mainly this press conference is for the Rajya Sabha biennial election. But moreover, all those prescribed documents, everything, those 11 ID proof along with that Aadhaar is also the 12th, but it is some legal limitations are there. So all those things are already been briefed to the press, and once since the process is ongoing, where there is a lot of publicity related thing, we already did the mapping of the voter list with the present one along with the previous one. So our teams are fully ready. We are going for the training phase, that is more important, because BLOs are supposed to go door to door. They have to give the notices and all that work. So enumeration form have to be given to all the voters for the verification. So our teams are getting ready for the conduct of SIR. Thank you.
And there are many reports about dual voters.
I already replied on that. There are several political parties, but not all in the state. So we tried to approach them even over phone also, but since due to some preoccupation and other, especially due to the preoccupation, so they are not been able to attend. But we already issued notice to all the political parties to attend this meeting.
Can we get an update on the vacant Shillong by election likely date?